Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will make the tutorial network fundamental wireless peer-to-peer with MikroTik routers. Hello, my name is Hanif Azmi Hafid, and then
And I
this
am Abdurrahman.
we are from Islamic Development Network in the class DRKJ D.
Deep.
So, first, I will show you the topology in this video or this tutorial. Here is the internet Wi-Fi will connect to MikroTik A within the RAN 1 with station mode and the HCP client with firewall net. And then MikroTik A connect to client laptop with static IP 192.168.10.1/24 and login via Ether2 with IP static MikroTik A. And then MikroTik A as a access point in the LAN 2 with the HCP server IP IP set 192.168.20.254/24 connect to MikroTik B and MikroTik B as a station mode in the interface 1 and then with DHCP client to DHCP server MikroTik A with firewall net. And then MikroTik B will connect it to client laptop with static IP 192.168.10.1/24 login with Ether2 with IP. So step 1, we set MikroTik to be access point. Step A, configure static IP and connect laptop. First, set a static IP address on MikroTik A. Here is what my Winbox. So I will aduh salah coy. So this is my Winbox. I connected with cable RG45 in Ether2 to my laptop, and here in this display show the IP address my MikroTik, and then I connected. After I connected, I have the old configuration, so I will soft reset this configuration or soft reset this MikroTik. So no default configuration must be checklist and reset configuration, and then confirm. And then after this, the Winbox will be disconnect from your MikroTik. So you can be waiting for a minute. And here in display, there is the MikroTik is I connected in the Ether one. The IP address is 0.0.0.0. This is the default and identity is MikroTik. So I will connect with MAC address. I'll press the button connect, and then here we have the interface list. Interface list is in this tab. You can look. I connected to Ether one. So in this first step, or we make a setup this MikroTik, uh, the identity. We take the name MikroTik, the MikroTik. I will give the name is Ikan Lili. Apply and then OK. And then I set the addresses IP like first step, set a static IP address on MikroTik A. So the address list, I will take the interface header one. In address, IP address is 192.168.10.1/24. Apply and then OK. And then here is the IP. So we connect this MikroTik to the IP, not with the MAC address. So we disconnect with Winbox. We try. to connect the IP address to Necrotic with IP address. But this is an error. The router will refuse the connection. Why? Because we don't have the DHCP server. So we can to connect with MAC address first, and then we can the set of the DHCP server. We set up in interface what that is up to you. You have the Ether 1, Ether 2, Ether 3, Ether 4, but I prefer to Ether 1. So I will select the Ether 1 next, and then the HTTP address space. This is the default configuration 192.168.10.0/24. Dot 0 is from the network, and then the gateway the HTTP network from this address IP 192.168.10.1. And the next, and the next. Then a server, you can give a Google DNS or Cloud DNS 1.1.1.1 or 8.8.8.8. Then next, I don't give any DHCP, any DNS, sorry. And then we finish the setup DHCP server. Then we try the connect with IP, but we will error again because we must disconnect this cable, and then we can be connect again, and then wait for the MikroTik list to be list table. Then we connect with IP address. Then connect, we did it. And then we to the next step is configure the HTTP server on MikroTik A. We finish this step and then connect laptop to MikroTik A and obtain IP automatic via DHCP and then finish. We finish the step A. Okay. And then we next to step B, connect to internet via Wi-Fi. First, create a security profile in the wireless tab. If you have the password in your hotspot or in your Wi-Fi internet, in this internet Wi-Fi, and then scan for available Wi-Fi network and connect to one. I will connect to hotspot. The SSID is Abdurrahman. I will show you next, and then set up the HTTP client to obtain IP address from the internet provider, and then create net masquerade rules for the wireless internet connection. This is a firewall net. Okay. Okay, we start this step. First, create security profile in the wireless tab. Here is my Winbox, and then we click the tab wireless, and then we to a security profile. We add the profile security. I will same with name. My SSID hotspot is Abdurrahman. Mode is dynamic key. I prefer to enable this all, and then prepare reset the key. This is your password. Password what? 1 2 3 4 1 2 8. Yeah. 1 2 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. My password is 128. So you can take your password Wi-Fi or your password, okay? And then apply. Here is Abdurrahman. Then we key with WPA PSK authentication with WPA2 PSK, and then another that. After that, we scan for available Wi-Fi network and connect to one. First, you uh, enable the wireless interface, and then You click double click and then scan. This is the station mode. Then scan and then press the button start. Now, this is my hotspot, Abdurrahman, and then I connect with security profile is Abdurrahman, then apply. And then we waiting for a minute for the running. This is running. The running is meaning is we connected to the hotspot or the Wi-Fi. So next step is set up the HTTP client to obtain IP address from the internet provider. So you can set up the HTTP client in IP tab and then the HTTP client and then you can plus to interface one client. Okay, and then searching you can waiting for a minute and then we bound the HTTP client one. The meaning is we connected to the hotspot. And then the next step, we create the firewall net masquerade rules for the wireless internet connection. So we can do the IP tab and then firewall and then not tab. Then you can add the chain is a share chain NAT. This is meaning is the source NAT and then the out interface is one and then the action is masquerade. Apply and then okay. We finish the step three. Check. We will check the ping to a Google. The meaning is we have the internet connection ping 1.0.1.1. This is we get a ping from the Cloudflare, or we can get to Google egg.egg.egg.egg. This is the ping. So we finish the step B. And then we go to next step. Step C, configure MikroTik A as a access point bridge. Then create IP address for the VLAN access point interface. And then create virtual Wi-Fi interface and set it to access point bridge mode. And then configure the HCP server for connected station. So I think we not don't perlu nggak sih? Nggak perlu. First, we get to wireless tab, and then we add the virtual wireless, and then set to AP bridge. And then SSID is ikan lele. Then master interface is one Y. So in here we have the 1 2 in virtual. And then we configure the HCP server for connected station. So you can click the IP tab and then to the HCP server and then plus and then the HCP setup to 1 2. Then next, oh yeah, I forget, sorry. I forget for the add to address for my 1 2. I will take the IP in here 192.168.20.24 slash 24 192 168.20.20 254 slash 24 then okay. So here in the one two sorry within in this one too. Okay, and then we set up the DHCP server to 12 next to 168.168.20.0, and then next the HCP gateway to this IP address 192.168.20.254, and then next, we can this a default next, and then next we set up. Why this is a red text? Because we don't have a client, so we can do the next step to the step 2, set Mikrotik to be a station and connect to Mikrotik A in Mikrotik B. Okay, thank you. That is tutorial from me. We can continue to Abdul Rahman. Thank you, everyone.
Yes, after we make step for one, let's to make to to step two. Set Mikrotik B to B station. Hey, you guys. First, provide internet to laptop via Mikrotik B. First, you can connect laptop to Mikrotik B and obtain IP via DHCP, and then testing from laptop to internet for verified and to end-to-end connectivity. Okay, terus you first we want to reset configure no default hmm, and reset and yes, click press button yes. Then after that we disconnect and cancel. Refresh. Yeah, after wait to eh, wait for a minute. What is this? After you can click you can click the IP the MAC address first and connect. Yes. First you can set the identity identity. Sorry guys. And yes, after that you can create. Oh yes, before you make IP address, you make identity first. Set name Mikrotik. Example what? Dudu. Dudu. And apply. And okay. Can you see this Mikrotik Dudu? And then you IP like in the topology, in this topology. Yes. Next 192 dot 68 and dot 10 dot 1 dot 10 dot 1 slash 34 and interface to Ether 2 and play and okay. Yes. uh, and then you can disconnect first. We will disconnect. You can
click the IP
click the IP address
and then connect.
and connect.
That is
There
the
is there
error.
is error, but we can click again to make address,
And
and
then you
then
set up
makes
the DHCP setup.
DHCP server to DHCP setup to Ether2. Next, next again, next. Yes, you can disconnect again.
And then itu di itu
Uh,
reconnect.
you can press the
Reconnect the cable.
reconnect the cable first.
Tunjukin kamera.
Yes,
Now,
and connect again
Ether
in
Ether 2
Ether2.
connected.
Yes, connected.
And then refresh first.
Refresh first. You can connect with IP address and connect. Yes, you can connect with IP address,
And then you can let
and then you
look the presentation.
the
Step B.
presentation
Okay. And then next to
and
step B.
to now
Step B, step B.
step
You
B,
go connect wireless.
connect wireless with not HDHCP first.
Sudah tadi.
Huh?
Sudah.
And then to B, connect wireless to MikroTik A. Okay, you can sorry. Scan and connect wireless to MikroTik network and create NAT mesquered
Roll
role for the
wireless
wireless connection.
and
Thus
then
ping
connection.
connection to internet to verify connection
Connectivity.
connectivity.
Okay. And then
Then you
go to
open
wireless.
the Winbox
Inbox. Wireless.
wireless
Mhm. And then
to
enable.
enable.
Turn
Click press bottom this
turn on.
button and double click. You can scan scan eh so, so, yes, scan stop that wireless station and scan
And then the name, my
install.
name, Mikrotik is
You can
Ikan
see
Lele.
ikan lele, yeah, and then
Okay.
connect.
Start.
Stop
Ikan Lele. Connect.
ikan lele connect.
And
And
then
then search for
running.
running
The running meaning is connected
and connect
to Mikrotik A.
to
Next. Udah. Habis itu ping. Habis itu DHCP client.
let's
And then
now make a DHCP client
two,
to
one,
OLN
one,
1
and then one.
play and okay.
Then bone, the bone, the meaning what?
The it connected, yes.
That is connected to
Disconnected
Mikrotik
to
A.
Mikrotik A. And then ping first.
No, set up the firewall.
Oh yes,
So
set
will not
the firewall, the NAT,
will not and then
and
plus
the plus this to interface
one.
WLAN
And
on.
then the action is must be
The
created.
action is
Must be created. For the translation, I fit to your laptop. Okay. And then you can test the
can
ping
test the ping
to Google.
to Google.
Ping.
X, X, X. Then
Then
you
get
can connect with Google Internet.
it.
Yes.
Okay.
And next,
Sudah selesai. Sudah.
yes,
Yes.
yes.
We
Like
finish
this,
this.
I finished this configured for the step 2.
And then thank you
and thank you
for your
for
attention.
attention. And yes, to uh, again to Hanif again. And
And then we check the internet first. Make sure the phone not have the internet connection. Test. We don't have the internet, so we can to connect to the MikroTik A. The MikroTik A is ikan lele, and then we can test. Look, the notification is coming, and then we test. Sorry, test, test. Look, we can get this website or test, and then we can test, and then we try to speed test. Okay, we can to check the speed test. The meaning is this phone can connect and get the connection internet to the MikroTik ikan lele or MikroTik A. Thank you. That's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.